Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Positive Vibes with Sim. Today in my kitchen I have made roasted coconut chicken roast. You will definitely love this. If you are a chicken lover, please try this recipe. If you like the recipes, please do consider to like, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. Here I have taken 1 kg of chicken. I have washed and cleaned the chicken. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri Chilli Powder and 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, that is sauf, and 3 tablespoons of curd, salt to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 medium sized lemon juice. Mix it well. Then keep this for 30 minutes in a refrigerator, or you can keep it out. Next step, you need 2 cups of fresh coconut or frozen coconut. In low flame, roast it till you get a light brown color. Please don't burn the coconut, otherwise the flavor will change. And equally divide the roasted coconut. Add half pot of the roasted coconut into a blender and coarsely grind it the way I am showing in this video. After 30 minutes, let's fry the chicken. In a pan, I have added the oil. When oil becomes hot, add the chicken pieces and fry. Keep the flame in medium and cook it till it is 80% done. You can shallow fry the chicken pieces with minimum oil, but keep the flame in medium to low while cooking. Take a kadai, in that add 3 tablespoons of oil which we use to fry the chicken. Add 4 medium sized onions sliced long and thin. Add salt. Cover it and cook till the onion becomes soft. The onion has become soft. Now add 4 green chilli slit in between and 1 strands of curry leaves. And add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Saute till the raw smell leaves. Then add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri Chilli Powder, 2 teaspoons of Coriander Powder, and 1 + 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala, and 1/4 teaspoon of Turmeric Powder. Saute it till the raw smell leaves. Add 3 tablespoons of water. This will help to cook the masala. Then add 1 medium sized tomato chopped long and thin. Add 4 tablespoons of water. Then cover it and cook till the tomato becomes soft. Now you can check the tomato and all the masala has been cooked well. Now time to add the fried chicken. Then add the coarsely grinded coconut. Mix everything well. Keep the flame in medium to low. Then add 1½ cup of water. After adding water, add few coriander leaves chopped and add the remaining coconut roast and cover it and cook it in a low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give it a mix. Then again cover it and cook it in a low flame for 5 minutes. Super delicious roasted coconut chicken is ready. You can further dry roast the chicken completely, but here I am using for the parota, so I kept little bit gravy. Thanks for watching.